If you're a barber and you're watching this, then I guarantee you're leaving thousands and thousands of dollars on the table.
Andy Fademaster.
Alright, let's give these guys a call. Let's see exactly how they handle this. Alright, let's make the first call.
Marcus speaking.
Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good, man. Just calling because I wanted to get a cut. Are you guys still taking appointments or walk-ins or?
Oh, you can walk in right now. I'm here right now.
Yeah, is it busy over there? Because I kind of got to get in and out.
No, sir. I have one in the chair right now, and I just started on him. So whenever you come here, I'll be done probably like the next 15, 20 minutes.
All right, cool. And you do like the enhancements and everything for the hairline and like, you know, hair wash and everything, right?
We actually don't or whatever, cause I just ran out of the hair enhancement, to be honest with you. So I don't have none of that. I just ordered some like this week. So.
Oh, all right, no problem, man. All right, later. Okay. Number one thing, right? He was. I thought that he was breaking up at a reception because, you know what I'm saying? He couldn't give me a straight answer. Now, one of the things, yes, he was available. Yes, I could get in the chair, but enhancements are going to enhance how much money the customer is actually spending with you. Because if you're putting enhancements in their hair, you're gonna charge them extra for it. So there's more money that's getting thrown right out of the window, right into the garbage because he didn't have what he needed when I called. Take that customer from walking in and spending $20 to adding enhancements and possibly spending $35, $40 on a haircut. Look at how difficult it is for me just to find a barber. It's difficult. Like, I'm having a hard time here getting on the computer and searching for barbers that are open and that are actually gonna take me and can provide the service that I'm looking for. There's a wide open space right there for you to go in there and position yourself to make that money.